Good morning, y'all, and welcome to Cooking with Angel. This week we'll be making seafood risotto. We're going to start with 2 cups of arborio rice, half of a yellow onion, one clove of garlic, one quart of veggie stock, one tablespoon of Old Bay seasoning, 1 pound of unpeeled shrimp, and 1 pound of mussels. Alright, we're going to start by pouring almost all of our stock into a pot so we can heat up. We're going to reserve about a cup of it so we can use it to steam our seafood. Go ahead and begin our arborio rice. I've got some hot oil in this pan, so this pan is already heated, and we're going to go ahead and start by adding in the onions first, and then those reach a translucent stage. Now they're translucent, we can add in our rice. In a separate heated pan, we're going to add in some green onions, and we're going to go ahead and add in our shrimp so they can start steaming. Once the shrimp have just begun cooking, we're going to go ahead and add in our mussels, put a lid, add this remaining 1 cup stock so all these seafood can go ahead and steam. Alright, we've let our arborio rice color up a little bit, and now we're going to go ahead and start adding in some stock, 1 scoop at a time, then mixing until all the stock has been incorporated into the rice. Alright, that was a process of about 20 minutes, but now it's when we're going to finish. The rice is cooked, so I'm going to add in our parmigiana romano and then a little bit of butter on top. And the last thing we do is we're going to go ahead and mix in our seafood into our risotto. Alright, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you guys next week.